Good morning students. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to learn a poem, that is The Town Child and the Country Child. The Town Child and the Country Child by Aaron Thomas. So, some of us love the place where we are born and brought up, like the town mouse and the country mouse. But some of us like the opposite. For example, if you are born and brought up in a town, you wanted to live in a countryside. But if you are born and brought up in a countryside, you may wish to live in a town side or a city life. Let's see what the poet says. Okay? Let me read the stanzas and listen carefully the explanations. The town child. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. So, the town child lives in a street and it is full of crowded, and it is crowded with feet and traffic of the vehicles. Okay. What is feet here? Feet is here, it means people who walk in the streets. So, the street is crowded with people and also crowded with the traffic of vehicles. What are the vehicles you can see in the city? That is trams, you can see buses and motors. Okay, what is a tram? Tram is an electric transport. So, it is train like structure which runs on the rails but in the middle of the road. If you go to Calcutta, even now you can see the trams. It is a two coached train like structure. So, the town child wanted to live in a peaceful place where there are meadows and lambs. What is a meadow? Meadow is a large open field. Meadow is a large open field where you can see grasses and wildflowers. So, it wanted to have a peaceful life. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. So, all the houses are built in a row. It is row wise, and he could hear the noises of the vehicles. There is noise pollution everywhere and there is smoke everywhere. There is air pollution everywhere. So, he did not like the town life. He wanted to live near a wood. What is wood? Wood is a forest. So, he wanted to live a peaceful life in the town side. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. So, the child likes only one thing. What is that? It is the blue sky, because there is more space in it, plenty of space. What is plenty? More space. More space for the castles of cloud. The clouds are like castle. What is castle? Castle is a large, strong building. See, in olden days you can see the castles. The kings and the queens, they live in castles. But now you cannot find the castles. So, the child likes only the sky where he can find more space, where there is space for clouds as well as for him. Now, let us see the second poem, what the country child says. The country child. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. So, his house is near the wood and the lanes are so quiet. Why the lanes are so quiet in a country? Because there are very less people and very less vehicles. So, it is very quiet. But he wanted a neighbor near his house. See, if you see the villages, the houses are very far from each other. You can see individual houses. but not in cities. So he wanted a neighbor to play with near his house. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours were it not for the birds and the flowers. Okay, so there is no one to play with the country child because he is feeling very lonely and he is alone. Okay, there is no neighbor near his house. There are only tall trees. He could see only tall trees, and there were flowers and birds. No one else is living near his house. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down a twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. So he wishes to live in the streets, which is very busy, and he wishes to see the trams moving down the streets, which is so colorful and shining at the night. Of course, in cities you can see the lights all bright at night and it is so colorful. So he wishes to live in a city where he could see the trams going down the bright streets. So the country child wanted to live in a town and the town child wanted to live in a country, which is very peaceful. Now let's see the questions. Why are the lanes in the country so quiet? The lanes in the country are so quiet because there is very less number of people living there and very less vehicles also. Name the one thing that town child loves. The one thing that the town child loves is a sky where there is plenty of space for the clouds and for him. I hope you have understood. Thank you, students.